Understanding, rue the day. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, rue the day. This expression is rich with history and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and conversation skills. The phrase, rue the day, is a classic English idiom that means to regret something profoundly, often used in a context where one predicts that another person will regret their actions. Rue is an old-fashioned word for regret or sorrow, so when someone says they will rue the day, they are saying that the day will come when they will feel sorry about something that has happened. Rue the day originated from the word rue, which has been in the English language since the 12th century. It comes from the Old English word riauen, which means to affect with grief or regret. This phrase has been used in literature and speech for centuries and retains a somewhat dramatic or literary tone when used today. To properly use rue the day in conversation or writing, it's important to understand its nuance. It's typically used to warn or predict regret in a somewhat formal or dramatic context. For example, they'll rue the day they decided to challenge the champion. Rue the day has been featured in many works of literature and movies, often to highlight a character's vengeance or to foreshadow an unfortunate event. While its use is less common in everyday language, it's still recognized and understood by most English speakers. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of the phrase, rue the day, for you. It's a great example of how English can be colorful and expressive. Keep exploring idioms like this, and you'll not only enrich your vocabulary but also your understanding of English history and culture. Happy learning, and we hope you'll never have to rue the day you decided to improve your English skills.